The Tale of Lara and the 12 Months. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by thick forest and high mountains, there lived a kind and gentle girl named Lara. After her father passed away, Lara was left with her stepmother and stepsister, both of whom were cruel and selfish. Every day from sunrise to sunset, Lara worked endlessly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and chopping wood, while her stepmother and stepsister did nothing but enjoy themselves. Lara never complained, but her heart longed for kindness and love. One cold November morning, as the first snow covered the earth like a white blanket, Lara was busy sweeping the floor when her stepmother called her with a sharp voice. Lara, go to the forest and bring me a bunch of snowdrops, she demanded, sitting by the fire. But mother, Lara replied softly, snowdrops bloom only in March. It's winter now and the forest is covered in snow. But her stepmother's eyes narrowed and she pointed to the door. I don't care. Go and don't return until you bring them, or else don't bother coming back at all. With a heavy heart, Lara wrapped herself in her thin shawl and stepped out into the freezing cold. Snowflakes danced around her and she walked deeper into the forest, her tears freezing on her cheeks. She wandered for hours, her feet numb and her hands red from the cold. Night was falling, and Lara feared she would never return home again. Just as she was about to sit down and give up, she noticed a bright light shining through the trees. Curious and desperate for warmth, she followed it and came upon a clearing where a great fire was burning. Around the fire sat 12 mysterious figures, each dressed differently, some in green, other in golden robes, and some in icy blue. Lara stood quietly, unsure what to say. One of them, a tall man in a white cloak, turned to her kindly. What brings you here, child, on such a cold night? He asked. Lara, with trembling lips, told them everything about her cruel mother, her endless course, and the impossible task of finding snowdrops in winter. The 12 figure listened quietly. Then the eldest among them, who looked like January, said, Brothers, shall we help this kind girl? The figure in a green robe with flowers embroidered on his sleeves stood up. He was March. It is my turn now, said March, smiling at Lara. He took his staff and raised it highly. Suddenly the snow melted away, the sun peeked through the clouds, and the birds began to sing. The trees were filled with fresh green leaves, and beautiful snowdrops bloomed all around. Lara's eyes sparkled with joy, and she gathered a bunch of delicate white flowers. Take these, dear child, Marge said gently, but remember, be brave and kind, for goodness always finds a way. Lara thanked them with all her heart and hurried back home. When her stepmother saw the fresh snowdrops, she was shocked, but instead of being grateful, her greed grew. If she can bring snowdrops in winter, she can bring me much more riches from the forest, she thought. The next day, she forced Lara to return to the forest to fetch apples and strawberries, though it was still winter. Once again, Lara wandered into the woods and found the 12 months. She told them her story, and this time June and July stood up and helped her. Soon ripe strawberries and sweet apples filled her basket. When she returned home, her stepmother was amazed and jealous. Now I will go myself and gather even more, she said greedily. But when she reached the forest and found the 12 months, her rude and demanding behavior angered them. January raised his staff, and a fierce snowstorm began to blow. The stepmother and stepsister ran and ran, but they never found their way back home. From that day on, Lara lived peacefully in her little cottage, surrounded by the beauty of nature, free from cruelty and sorrow. And every spring, when snowdrops bloomed, Lara remembered the kindness of the 12 months.